Kickbacks coming again. 4 more. Here's 4, 3. Kick back. Now let's go. Kick back. Kick back and reach out straight ahead. Nice. And give me a few more and then we pull back. 2 more. Pull back now. Here we go. Pull back. Pull back. Pull back. Pull back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Walk, 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 walk. Always a walk. Nice. 4, 3. Hey guys, start with a simple side step. Then we'll go to skaters. 4 more counts. There's 4, 3, 2. So the side step. Get the feet working first. You got it. Just a few more. All right, now, so a skater is simply tap behind. Here it comes. Step, tap. And look what happened. Naturally, my arms came around to balance me. So I'm working on a little balance and coordination, but that rotation is all waistline. Tuck your tummy back. Give your waistline a workout. Go. Come on. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Step, tap. Got it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Walk, 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 walk. You got it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Nice job, everybody. Nice job. Knee lifts coming. And 4, 3. Singles, you lift. All you do is lift one, then the other. These are singles. You know what that means? Double comes up soon. Not yet. Open up your feet a little wider. You're going to need the balance. Touch your hip. Touch your hip. Here's 4. Here's 3. Here's 2. Doubles here now. Double. Here we go. There you go. On the side. Come on. Cool. Get all the muscles involved. Go. I want you to tuck your tummy back and get the arms a little higher now. Higher arms. Go. Come on. Let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Come on. Work today. Work hard. I'm so glad you made the time. And 1, and 2. And 2. Walk, 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 walk. You're walking. Whoa. Upper body. Reach. 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 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We're going to change the arms. Push to the front. Push. 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 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Walk, walk, walk. You got it, guys. Step, tap, 2 forward, 2 back. You got it, Camilla. Camilla. 4, 3. Ready? And give me beat, guys. 4, 3, 2. I got it now. Let's go. It's step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. There you go. Just tap. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. You got it. Just get those feet walking. If anything feels a little bit, uncomfortable, don't you worry about that. Just walk. Step, tap. Step, tap. Step. Okay. Okay. I couldn't even stop myself. Yeah. Woo. Tap. 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 One more time. You got it. Walk, 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 walk. You got it. Nice, nice, nice. Open up those feet. Kickbacks. 4, 3, 2. Lift the heel. Here it comes. Lift up. Lift up. Throw the hands to heaven. That's the time I think about being thankful. There we go. Here's 4. Here's 3. Get ready to pull down now. It comes now. 4, 3, 2. Keep going. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Walk, 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 walk. You're walking. Walk, walk, walk. You got it. Walk. Yeah. Kicks ready. Kicks right here. We kick and kick. Real strong. Tight tummy. Reach for your feet. When you reach for your feet, you get all those muscles involved. There it is. Wendy, nice and tight. Nice, nice, nice. Suze. Because when we're tight here, the legs move with power, the arms move with power. Use a lot of muscle. It's fitness walking for your total body. That's walking, guys. Walk, 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 walk. And upon the arms, power walk. Nice. Side steps and skaters. Back. Ready? Side step here. Just start out with the basic. Get your feet working first. Out together, out together. 4 more. 4, 3. Turn it into a skater. It's skater. And here's the rotation. Carrie, do you feel that in your waistline? Exactly. Waistline just takes over. Those rotator muscles just go because your foot changed position. That's all that happened. And now you've got all those new muscles working. 2 more. Walk, 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 walk. Wow. That's a fast. You gotta be fast on your feet. It's so nice. Pick up those feet. Walk, 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 walk. All right. A little change to the beat. Walk, walk, walk. You got it. That pace. Nice. Good job. All right, now we're gonna take the arms up. We're gonna take them out. We're gonna take them down and then out again. So it's a whole pattern. You can watch it at home. Join us when you're ready. Upper body. 4, 3. Right now, guys, to the beat like this. You go up, out, down. Now back out. Now come on, up, out, down, and out. That's it. Go up and out and down and out. Good. Up, out, good. Down and out. Straight up. There you go. And down. Here it's up and out and down and out. Here's up and out and down and out. Up and out, down and out. Last time, last round. Power up, power up, power up. Yeah. Good. You have to think a little bit, huh? You have to think. Yeah. Nice. Power walk. You got it. Hang on, guys. Keep a good power walk. 5. Knee lifts are coming back. Ready? Knees up right here. Knees up. Knees up. Hands to the hips. Bring it around. Those are singles. 4 more singles. 4, 3. Back to doubles. Here come 2. 1 and 2. Other side. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Come on. All right, now come across your body. We're going even farther. We're going to go to 4s. Not yet. I'll tell you when. 1 and 2. I love that. I have them all thinking. Give me 1 more set for 2s. Okay, guys, let's do 4 on this side. 4, 3, 2. Move to the other side. Here's 4, 3, 2. Other side. Let's go. 4, 3, 2. And switch. 4, 3. 1 more set. That's all. Come on. 4, 3. Make it tight. Good switch. 4, 3. Walk, 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 walk. Wow. Feels good. Nice, everybody. 2 up, 2 back. Ready? Walking strong. Walk. And back. 2. Let's go. 1 and 2. Back. 2. 1, 2. Back. 2. And 2. And 2. Nice. We're going to add a double side step. I'll tell you when. Not yet. Up for 2. 1 more time. Up and back. Okay, now add double side steps. So go out together, out together. Get ready to go back up. Up. Nice back. Double side. Good. Out together, out together, out together. Here we go up. 1, 2. Good. And 2. Double side step. You got it. Out together, out together. Up for 2. Back for 2. Double. 2. You got it. Moving around all the directions. I love it. It's so good for the body. Good for your coordination, good for your balance. Back. 2. Last time. Over. And back. Walk, walk, walk. You got it. Keep that energy high. Come on. It's a good strong beat. Pick up those feet higher. Pump those arms. We're going. Think about 3 walks in a tap. So give me a few seconds to keep my beat, and I'll guide you into it. Here it goes. It's 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. Now I'm going to start that move. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's move, guys. And tap. 1, 2, 3, and tap. Come on, power walk. 1, 2, 3, and tap. 1, 2, 3, and tap. 2, 3, and tap. 2, 3, and tap. Come on, shoes. Can't miss those shoes. We love our shoes. We hope you like them too. We were so happy to see our bright shoes when we walked in today. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. Walk, 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 walk. Just right here. There you go. Because walking shoes are the key to life. Just push those arms. Push. You know why? Because fitness walking will carry you through a lifetime of good health. Don't you be without your fitness walking shoes ever, okay? Push and push. 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 Come on. Push arms. Tight tummy and really extend those arms. 4 more catchers. 4, 3, 2, walk, walk again. Hey guys, side steps and then we're going to put in a twist. twist to the feet. I'll guide you through it. 4 and 3 and 2. Just step out this way. Out together, out together. Get the feet working. So skaters were a way to put the toe behind it, and then you have some rotation. This time it's heels to the front. I'll guide you through, guys. Give me a feet. 4, 3, 2. Now, heels to the front. So you step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. It's the same principle. It throws you off a little wee bit because it asks your balance to come in, your coordination to come in. And so what happens is you rotate the trunk, your arms kind of follow, and now you have a lot more muscle going on. Step. Step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. 4, 3. Walk, walk, walk. Good, good, good. Nice, nice, nice. Now, pick up those feet. Hey guys, we're going to move around a little too. Next corner. 4, 3, ready, 2 up like this. 1 and 2, back up. All right, now off to this corner. Go. 1 and 2, back up. 1, 2, other corner. Let's go. 1 and 2, back up. We're going back up the middle. 1 and 2, good. Back and 2, you got it. 1 and 2, nice. Other corner. Here we go. 1 and 2. Go ahead. Add your quads. I know. 1 and 2 and back and 2, other corner. 1 and 2 and 1 corner, all corners. 1 and 2, all corners. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Last time, corner. 1 and 2. You got it. 1. Stay right here, guys. Nice. Wow. Come on. Power walk. Arms push to the front. Here we go. Push and push and push and push. Come on. Every minute you keep fitness walking, you build endurance into the body. Your heart gets stronger. Your bones get stronger. Your muscles get stronger. Around that air. 4 more counts. Here's 4. Here's 3. Here's 2. Walking again. Nice. Walk, walk, walk. You got it. It's the pace and the beat. Nice. Hey guys, how about a little cha-cha? All you do is the natural move is you step 2 times and run for 3. It's watch it and join us anytime. 4, 3, and like this, guys. It's all you do. Step, step, 1, 2, 3. Step, step, 1, 2, 3. Step, step, 1, 2, 3. Step, 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 1, 2, 3. Shut, shut, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just 4, 3, 2. Little run. Walk, 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 walk. There you go. Walk, walk. Nice. Now all we need next, kicks. 4 more counts. Here's 4 and 3 and 2. Just kicks. All I need you to do, guys, before that leg raises, you think about tummy tuck. Belly button toward the spine. Flatten it up. Reach for your feet. Reach for your feet. It looks like an easy move, but I will tell you, it's strong. It's all the muscles of the body. You can see it. Randy, Susie, go strong, honey. Carrie, go strong. Big kick. Power kicks. Marvin, big power kick. I love it. Every muscle of the body, Nikki. Tighten up the tummy. Noah. Head to toe. See, Nick, your neighbor is so smart. Your neighbor. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Maxine, nice, honey. Beautiful alignment. Beautiful alignment. It's total body walking. Nice. Tight tummy. Reach and reach. 4, 3. Walk, walk, walk. You got it. 2 up, 2 back in corners. 4, 3. Ready? 2 up right here. Here's 1. Here's 2. 1 and 2. Corner. 1 and 2. The other corner. Go. 1 and 2. Middle, middle. And 2. Corner. And 2. Come on. Move around the middle corner. Middle. Move the furniture at home. Because we're coming over. Wouldn't that be fun if we got to go everywhere? All our walkers are. I would love it. And 2. Maybe we need to do a little tour, everybody. 1 and 2. Middle. 1 more time. All the way around. Here we go. Corner. And the corner. Middle, middle, middle. Here we go. Middle. Walk, walk, walk. Pick up feet. Wow. Open up feet. Let's celebrate it, right? Open up. Kick back to coming. Give me 4. Give me 3. Give me 2. Give me 1. Here goes. Kick back. Kick back. Kick back. Kick back. And all the way to heaven, hands. All the way. Reach all the way through those fingertips. A big extension. Come on. Tight tummy. 4 more. Here's 4. Here's 3. Pull down arms. Here we go. Pull. 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 4 more. 4. 3. 2. Walk, 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 walk. Grapevine coming up. All right. 4 walks. 4. 3. 2. Grapevine right now. Grapevine. Here it comes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Step, cross, step. Step, cross behind. Step, cross behind. Step, cross, step. Step, cross, step. Get up, light on the feet. Go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 4. 3. 2. Walk, 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 walk. Got it. Nice, everybody. Come on. Throw those hands straight up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Push arms to the front. Here they go. Push, 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 push. 4, 3. Arms down. Power walk, power walk. Pump the arms. Tap out, everybody. 4, 3, 2. Just touch the floor. You tap it and tap it and tap. All right, hey guys, start that turn. All you do is turn, turn, tap. You kind of push off a little. All right, now, here comes the arms. All you do is reach, opposite hand. Go, and go, and go. Come on, and go. Nice, Maxine. There you are, y'all. Push off with the leg. Push off. Go. Come on, all the way. Big extension, Camilla. When all these muscles are asked to move fast, you are getting in the best shape of your life. That is so awesome. Go, Carrie. Big punch. That a way to go, honey. That's a way to work out. You got it now. And go. How about 4, 3, 2, walk, 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 walk. You did it. Nice. That's the way. Tight tummy. Mini squats are coming, guys. 4 and 3 and 2. There's a mini squat. You bend, pop up, bend, pop up, bend, pop up. Good. Nice. Okay, arms are coming to a front and then a lateral. Watch me first and then join me, everybody. We're going up and out. Up and out. Up and out. Up and out. Here's up. Here's out. Here's up. Here's out. Arms. There you go. Front raise, lateral raise. Front, lateral, front, lateral. 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk, 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 walk. We're always walking. Wow. Always walking. That's what I love. Raise them up high, guys. Reach all the way to the fingertips. Real strong. Keep those feet walking strong. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Walk, walk, walk. Side steps coming back. Ready? Side step right here. Here we go. Out together, out together. To the front, coming up. Nice. I love it. Energy. You still got that good energy, guys. Good. Now, here comes the heel, everybody. Heel down. Heel down. Heel down. Heel down. Heel down. Heel. Heel. A little rotation. Arms come around. There you go. Arms come around. They give you balance, but they also help that. Come on. We really do. You know what? One of the most important things we do for our good health is keep our waistline trim. Listen, that's the dangerous area. When you're gaining weight and there's extra weight in the middle, that's the stuff that can get our health really out of control. 4, 3, 2. Walk, walk, walk. Belly fat complicates every condition. Ooh, I hate to say it like that. Ooh, it sounds so serious, but you know what it really is? If we can just reduce a little bit into the waist, your health can improve dramatically. Burning a lot of calories does it. Sculpting using strength, it does it. We're doing it all today. I love it. walk, everybody, to the beat. It's a fast pace, 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 pace. It's walk, 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 walk. Knee lifts. 4 and 3 and 2 knee lifts to end like this. Knees up. Knees up. Just stay tall. Stay tall. Stay tall, everybody. 4, 3, 2. Walk, walk, walk. Nice. Nice job. Heel down. Ready? Just the heels like this. Heel down. Heel down.